12,700 square meters. It's a clean title at 500 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Poblacion, Albuquerque, Bohol. Just 10 to 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. Very close minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. And very close from National Highway. So the property is located at the middle, no, of the trees. So meaning it is interior, no? But there are neighborhoods na ay mga silingan. So as you can see, no, that is the neighborhoods. Then from here, we will walk around 40 meters, 40 to 50 meters. Lakad lang tagamay going to the property. The good thing is only very few neighborhood. Gamay rag silingan sa tapad. So gamay ra gyud ang silingan. May nakanindot ani guys kay katong to those people who don't want neighbors, no. This is good for you. Water, electricity are available. Then there's still another neighbor, no, the adjacent with a house, no. Na silingan. The best property also because nearer to Tagbilaran City, doon ra sa Tagbilaran City, then near to the highway. Imagine this is located in Poblacion. So nindot kay ni guys, good for investment or if you are planning to settle in Bohol. This is one because nearer to the city, one of the best. Then elevated, so it means that's overlooking. So if you can have your 2-story or you can clean up all the trees around and build a 2-story house and lot, you can see the view of the sea. You can see the view of the sea. So depende sa pronunciation guys, no. So makita kung maklimpyuhan nimo, pasabot nako ang mga kahoy sa nagpalibot, makita nimo ang dagat. So mao na guys. So actually this is not yet, no. We will proceed. Padayon lang tagamay. Mga 40 meters sa gid ni guys, no. As you can see, this is the neighbor, no, na mga you can see, no. That is the neighbor adjacent to the property. So my guide is signing the road right, no, going to the property line. So this is the property line already. Mao na siya guys. The 12,700 square meters at 500 pesos per square meter. Barato kay na yun guys. Super barato. Very cheap. Because you know the adjacent or the nearby are ranging already 1,000, 1,500 per square meter. This is good. This is really good. So if you can clean up these trees, no, these are native trees. Mga kahoy-kahoy na tawag na mo. Pwede na siya putlon. No restrictions on the trees, no. Magnagan ikawayan, no. You can see, no. Dili pa man kayo habog atong drone. That is the neighbor. So this is really very nice, no, investment from the beach. Mga kuan ra ni na may beach po sa Baclayon guys, or sa Albor, here in Albor you can walk, no, or drive a little, no. Yung public market very close. This is really nice, really nice. See by yourself, no. Just contact me for site inspection. Labong lang yun, pero kung naana ka sa site, ma-appreciate yun nimo ang location guys. It's really very nice. So barato kayo, 500 pesos per square meter. Imagine, nasa makaana. Pwede ra sad nimo paliton. You can buy this as an investment or land banking. So nindot kayo. Then there is also an adjacent for sale. So pwede na to apilo palit. So mana siya guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. If you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.